Matmat. Sit down there. This is your first food. Your first food. Okay, let's try. Let's try your food. Matmat. I know you're excited. Wow! That is very healthy food. That is healthy food. You say, you like it? That is squash, broccoli, banana and egg and milk. Wow!
Wow.
You like it? You like it? Wow! Yummy? It's yummy? One more, Matmat. One more, Matmat. So yummy. Yummy food. Wow. One more, one more. Wow. You like it? You like it? Wow. Wow. One more. One more, Matmat. Wow! Ay, sus naman yan. Pa-cute naman yan. Wow! Ay, sus naman yan. So yummy! It's broccoli and squash na may egg and fresh milk and banana. Wow! Very healthy. Yummy? Ay, sus naman! Ay, sus na gusto. Painumin natin siya ng water, guys. Ito yung tubig niya. Ayan. Water? Drink your water? Ay, hindi pa siya sanay uminom ng water, guys. Wow! One more, one more, one more. Wow! Eat ka po. Eat mo. Wow! So yummy! Wow! Wow! Yum yum! Is it yummy? What? Wow! Is kalahati yung naubos niya. Ayan. Ano mo siya? Hi! Matmat! Nanibago ka. First time mo kumain ng solid food. Ha? Naninibago ikaw? Yan. Manibago siya, hindi ko muna siya pupwersahin kumain ng madami. So, bukas ulit. Meron na tayong tinago sa ref. Yan na lang, naubos guys. Yan na lang guys, konti na lang. Naubos na niya, baby ko na yan. Ang lakas-lakas na kumain niya. First time niya kumain, ang dami na agad nakain na ba? Matmat? Hi! Aba!